guys, this is going to be a quick video about my monthly subscription services. I still am subscribed to Ipsy, Birchbox, Boxycharm, and Julep Maven. I skipped Julep. You can skip it as many times as you want, and I've been only getting it once in a while when I really see the good products that I like, because I do have a lot of nail polishes from like the past. So let me just go ahead and get started. First of all, let me show you Ipsy bag, $10 per month. This is for the month of January. You usually get it in a cute makeup bag like this. You get 5 products. They're generally deluxe size samples or full-size product. Occasionally they'll give you like a little tiny sample, but that's very rare with Ipsy. So first of all, I got these nice tweezers, and this is by Thera. So these are like fine tip tweezers. You can never go wrong with that. This is great. Obviously this is a full-size product. A little card with like a theme, a monthly theme. Ipsy doesn't explain what product you get or doesn't talk about them in the card. It's just generally like a little message here and there. But the rest of the subscriptions generally give you a little card with some details about products you're getting. So the next item that I received is Mary Luminizer by The Balm Cosmetics. I actually own a full-size product and I love it. It's one of my favorite highlighters. So a little tiny sample. Then we have Lou by Jean Sia Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum. Wonder if this is for your hair or your face. We'll figure it out, I guess. The last product we have is Dermilect Microfacial Exfoliating Mask. I love getting masks. Then I'll talk about Birchbox next, also $10 per month. I've been subscribed to them for like I think 7 or 8 years, ever since they came out with this. Same thing with Ipsy. Birchbox sends you products in a box. This is amazing. Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, a deluxe size sample. Love getting these. So that's the brush. I don't mind getting perfume samples, but I really don't like when it comes in a little tube like that. I like it when you can spray it, because I generally can be a little messy with these. By the time you open it, it kind of spills everywhere. So we'll see how this one goes. I do like the name of it so far, Clean Cool Cotton. Hopefully I'll like the perfume. Just smell that. Smells very good, and I like to just toss them in my purse, in my car, just to kind of have them around. Next we have Air Repair Complexion Boosting Moisturizer. Then we have a Freematic eyeshadow. This is like an eyeshadow single. And Arrow Boost. It's like a chopstick. I've received this before, but it was a pink color. So this is purple. Feels very good. So I'm definitely going to be using that. All right, so that was it for my Birchbox. Lastly, I'm gonna show you Boxycharm. So it just comes in a box. That's the card that talks about all the products that you are receiving in this box and their full-size price. Now, Boxycharm generally sends you full-size products or deluxe size samples. It is twice as much as the other 2 boxes I was talking about. It's $21 per month, but the value is generally very good. I've been very happy with my Boxycharm subscription so far. I just really received good quality products. I don't think I've been disappointed by Boxycharm just yet. I've been subscribed to them for about half a year now. I used to be subscribed to them, then I canceled it because I wasn't happy before, but that was like a year or two ago, but they really have stepped up their game and they've been sending us some higher end products. Now the first product I see here is Brow Power by It Cosmetics. I mean, I really wanted to try that product before anyways, and it's pretty pricey to begin with. It's $24, and this is a full size. So just this product right here, getting it already paid for the box. That's what it looks like. Let me see. I hope this matches my color. Oh, the color is Universal Taupe. Then we have Pure Bronze and Brighten palette, and this is Dreamer Bronze and Brighten Cheek palette. So I'm sorry guys, I'm not gonna show it to you because I might just give it away. I don't want to open it up just yet. And then, oh, this is cool, Glam Metallic by Crown Cosmetics, or and this is a full-size eyeshadow palette. This is amazing. Very cute colors. Two more products in here. Dr. Brandt Luminizer Prime Base. Now this is an expensive company too, Dr. Brandt, and I generally have been liking those products. I don't purchase them myself. I generally get them in like subscription services because they're pretty pricey. This itself retails for $38. Finally, it's a Girl Lactic Matte Lip Paint. And this one retails for $23. So as you can see, you guys, this value is pretty significant. You definitely get a lot more than what you paid for. Very cute kind of brick red type of color. Alright guys, so that's it for my January subscription services. Let me know which ones you prefer and if I should try any other ones, because I haven't been following up on what's new out there. I just kind of kept my subscriptions that I've tried before. I'm really debating whether I should cancel Birchbox because I've just kind of not been too happy lately with them. I'm definitely keeping my Ipsy and Boxycharm for now. But let me know if I should try something else, and I will talk to you later. Bye.